It's here! Hello my dears and welcome back to my channel and another unboxing. Oh my god. Girl, I am so hyped about today's video. You don't even understand. Okay, so if you couldn't tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be unboxing / unbagging some clothes that I have been dying for months now. Now before we unbag it, I want to tell you a little bit about the brand that I'm going to be... Oh my gosh. Many of you who have been on YouTube for a long time should be aware of this amazing channel called H3H3. H3H3 is a channel owned by a husband and wife, Hila and Ethan Klein, who are super freaking hilarious and do the most crazy, hilarious, outrageous commentary videos I've ever seen. I freaking live for their channel, for their videos, for their podcast. Girl, I'm on it. If you don't know about them, you should. Watch them tonight. Freaking love them. Oh my gosh, they are one of my favorite channels of all freaking time. Love them so much and congrats on your baby that you guys are expecting. Oh my gosh. So, back to the video. And about a year or so ago, I noticed they began to wear these really freaking cute hoodies. Colorful sleeves, really cute beanies, these hoodies that I was just like, girl, where the hell did you get that? I need it. I want it. And at the end of their video, they began to advertise a brand called Teddy Fresh. So I must have been out the loop. I must have missed that reveal video because when I looked it up, Teddy Fresh is actually owned by Hila Klein, a member of H3H3. Her, my queen. Like, girl, what? I don't know how I missed this information. I don't know how I missed the grand reveal video, if there ever was one. So when you do a search for Teddy Fresh, here's an article written in 2017 that says, the latest bit of fashion to come out of the YouTube community can add a fresh injection of color to your wardrobe. Hila Klein, the Israeli-born artist who makes up one half of the H3H3 Productions channel, has released her line of clothes and accessories, which is titled Teddy Fresh. Did I mention that Hila is one of us, an artist? But honestly, oh my god, the clothes looked so freaking good. They were wearing one of the cutest freaking hoodies I had ever freaking seen. A quick Google search will show you just how amazing, colorful, precious their clothing really is. And most of these pictures you might have noticed is of this beautiful color block Teddy Fresh hoodie, which is the hoodie that started my obsession. It's the hoodie that I needed to have. It's the hoodie that they were wearing when I first learned about the brand and happened to be the freaking hoodie that was sold out when I went to go buy it. So I waited, and I waited some more, and finally they announced in the video that the hoodie was back in stock. And girl, I ran with my digital little feet to their website, placed an order, and it's finally freaking here. So I bought a hoodie and I bought a t-shirt. So freaking hype, you don't even understand. I've been waiting for months for this to come back in stock. The need was real, girl, okay? And you know what? It's a good thing that I bought the hoodie when I did, because guess what? The is sold out again. I'm telling you, it's a freaking hot hoodie. The website is filled with adorable, beautiful pieces. I'm absolutely just shook by the colors, by the everything. And also, I need the freaking sweatpants that match the hoodie that I just purchased because I just freaking need the whole ensemble. But they're also sold out. I'm telling you, people have good taste. They all want the same freaking hoodie. But I don't know what the quality is, and I am eager to open this. It's nice and heavy, so I'm looking forward to a fluffy, beautiful hoodie. We're going to open this together, guys. We're going to see if Teddy Fresh by Hila Klein, member of H3H3, was worth my weight. So after placing the order I think I ordered 2-day shipping priority mail. So it took about a week for it to ship out, and it got here very, very quickly. So do a little snippy snip snip over here. Open this bag. Snippy snip snip. Snippy snip snip. And oh my god. Look at those. Look at those colors. Just right off the bat though. Right off the bat. Just here to take my heart. Oh my gosh. I don't even know which one to take out first. I'm so freaking hyped. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped. Here's the package, so good on my face. Okay. So the first item I'm pulling out is... It's the hoodie. It's the hoodie. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh my god, look at the little logo. Tenny Fresh. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's so beautiful. Comes individually wrapped. Even the plastic is really thick. Really thick plastic. Oh. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Oh, it feels like it's real cotton. Oh, it feels like it's real cotton. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. Oh my god, it's so freaking good quality. Oh my god. Like, I was hoping that it was going to be fantastic quality. It's heavy. It's gorgeous. Oh my god, I need to try this on. Oh my god, this is absolutely amazing. I am shook. I'm shook. I know that people are thinking I'm being really cringy right now that I'm using a word like shook, but I'm telling you, I don't usually use that word. But this moment needs it. It requires it. Because, oh my gosh. If you didn't notice by looking at the clip that I showed you guys, the hoodies are not inexpensive. This particular hoodie was indeed $75. And I purchased it in a men's 2XL because I like all my hoodies to cover my butt. We gotta cover the ass, okay? So I like to use my hoodies as almost like dresses, if you will. That's just my thing, my preference. So when I saw the price tag, I was like, okay, you know what? Indie brands, a lot of the times, they do charge amounts that not everybody will be comfortable with, but I'm like, you know what? It's H3H3. I doubt they're going to do me wrong, and I was really hoping they'd be heavy and thick cotton. This is heavy, thick, beautiful, sumptuous cotton. I will be trying this on for you guys in a moment, but we're going to put her to the side. Look, we could take out the next item in the bag. Last but not least, I got a beautiful t-shirt, which looks exquisitely thick. Wait a second. This looks like a hoodie. Wait, did I? No. Oh, shoot. I thought I ordered the t-shirt. Did I accidentally order the hoodie? Okay, so there was a shirt version of this design as well as a hoodie version of this design. I thought I purchased the shirt version. I'm going to have to check that. Oh my god. Oh, it's even causing the camera to go crazy. Sorry about that. Oh my god. So it's teal in the middle. The camera is literally going crazy because of these colors. The camera is shook, okay? It's got some beautiful yellow sleeves. Look at that gorgeous cream sleeve. This beautiful teal. Oh my gosh, why is the camera doing this? And a beautiful, beautiful pink. And right in the middle, right here, it is the logo and a little teddy bear embroidered into it. Absolutely beautiful quality. I cannot get over it. The inside of the hoodies are not like fleecy. I can't describe this material. It's not like towel material like you're used to seeing in a lot of hoodies. It's a mixture between the towel material and like cottony fleece. It's super super soft. Almost reminds me of like a baby's blanket. And the material is super, super heavy, super high quality, and I need to try these on. Hold on one moment, please. So here is this 3-tone hoodie. I think it looks super, super adorable. It's super big. I think I got it in an XL or an L. For some reason the tag didn't seem to say. The purple hoodie did say the size. For some reason I did not see the size on the tag, but I'm pretty sure I got it XL. I usually get my hoodies XL so they can reach down past my tushy. You know? So it's nice and loose. It does not have any bat wing sleeves or anything like that. It's more of a standard straight hoodie sleeve. Very heavy, very warm, super high quality. Loving, loving this hoodie. And of course, look at that gorgeous hood at the back. Boop. Oh, I freaking love this. Next hoodie. I cannot believe I finally have my hands on this hoodie. I've been waiting for so long. It feels so nice to actually be wearing it. Now this hoodie, unlike the other one, has more of like a bat wing where it goes really narrow at your wrist and then widens out at your armpit. I freaking love that. I think it's so cute. Makes it super, super comfortable. And the cuffs are actually really like sturdy and thick. Beautiful, beautiful quality cotton. Absolutely beautiful color combos. I am so in love with this, and this adorable little embroidered Teddy Fresh patch here. The colors are amazing. The quality is amazing. It's so heavy duty and gorgeous. You can tell this is like true cotton. Like, I don't even know what other brands of hoodies or sportswear I can compare this to, because honestly, it's not as like fluffy and soft as like Hanes and stuff like that. It's like a thicker, heavy duty cotton, but super soft to the touch, but really, really sturdy. I freaking love this freaking hoodie. I cannot wait to wear it outside. As you can see, it goes way past my tushy. Here's my tush. Here's my hoodie. Needless to say, I am so pleased with Teddy Fresh as a brand for their quality and their variety of clothing. Amazing brand. Will definitely buy from there again because I have my eye on this particular set. And I will be back for the matching sweatpants to go with this amazing hoodie. You bet, you bet you, you bet you, you bet you. I do wish that sold out items would go back in stock a lot sooner, but you know what? It's an indie brand, and people like myself who love H3H3 but also love the brand will be patient and will wait. You could always be a part of their mailing list and they will update you as soon as items go back in stock. Oh, I forgot one little thing. Gotta wear my beanie for the Beanie King. How you doing, boo-boo? Me and Mochi love our Teddy Fresh merch. Sorry, not Teddy Fresh. Actually, got this at CVS. I'm possum. But if they did make doggy merch, I'm just saying. You might want to think about it. So guys, that was my Teddy Fresh review. I hope you guys enjoyed it and will give this video a big thumbs up. Also, what do you guys think of the hoodies I got? Would you wear them? Would you love them? Are they items that you yourself would want in your collection? Please let me know in the comments down there below, guys. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, as well as skincare routines, which I will be posting very, very soon, my dears. So until next time, do what you want, wear what you want, love what you wear. Take care, guys.